Hey there, friends. Rebecca here. Hey, I hope you're having a fabulous summer. I know we have had a wonderful time with our kids being in and out and getting to see family and extended family and some friends. So it's been a fabulous time. But I hope you've also are having a great time and feel energized. And so it's been a while, but I have another cute little device that I want to tell you about. I have been researching this one and decided to go ahead and back it here on Kickstarter. And they have allowed me to share an affiliate link with you. So if you have any interest in it, I will put that down below. But those of you that are familiar with my channel, then you know that I love gadgets, especially these that spark creativity. I think those type of devices are just awesome, and especially STEM devices where it encourages kids to learn about technology and coding, I think are just fantastic. So there are a lot of things on the market that are very, very similar. So let me just tell you a little bit about what piqued my interest on this one. And I think the delivery, they are aiming for November, December. And so far it looks like everything is going to be a go with that delivery. And so I get very positive vibes from the sponsors of this project and all the questions they've answered and so forth. So I think it looks like a viable option here on Kickstarter. But anyway, so it's this little tiny device that's kind of a desktop companion type robot, and it just looks so darn cute. And some of the positive things that I saw for it are it's here on the Kickstarter, it's less than $100, so that's always a plus. Some of these devices, unfortunately, can get pretty costly. So this one, the price was good. It's a very simple gadget. You're going to put it together yourself, just with some easy parts that snap together. So easy assembly. And then some of the most positive things, I believe it's going to be a completely open source project. And so it will come preloaded with lots of code and games, but then you will have the ability to modify it yourself with some code. And I believe it is going to allow that to be done in Python. And so that was very promising for me. And again, for kids that are learning how to code, it has a even simpler system, very similar to like the Scratch system that MIT developed, where it's kind of like drag and drop components to create some Python code. So that looks very promising. And again, the delivery before the end of the year. And then also it will allow you to modify the body of it. So like you can 3D print some additional components that will go on top of it or connect to it, or you could put stickers on it and just kind of make it your own. Here they've put some faux fur on it, and that's really cute. There's also a Discord server already set up with some communications going on out there, so that sounds very promising. And again, it's just simple components, but then the power behind it is going to be amazing whenever it gets opened up for all kinds of contributors. So that will be very cool if it really is truly open source. So here is again kind of encouraging the kids to adopt the coding with it. And then just something to occupy yourself for those of you with a desk job, and just a fun little gadget to have around. So anyway, again, I will put some information down below, and take a look at it and let me know what you think about it. And again, there's a lot of other great ideas and products on the market, but if you jump in on the Kickstarter one, then I think the price was very good for these components. So thanks so much, and I'll talk to you again soon. I've got lots of ideas that I've been collecting out here. I can't wait to share with you. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.